Watch out for those hooks on there.
What is this? Oh, do you the shark? No, así no es. Come on. Es que tienes que tirar. Deme. Deme. Listo, deme. My mom said there's a man with a knife in here.
A man with a knife?
Yeah.
I don't have a knife.
No, there's a man with. My mom said there's a man with a knife. Oh, I have to go.
Why's he got a knife?
I don't know. My mom did help me. I hope.
I don't think you're going to be able to use that one, buddy.
Is that fish?
These are hard to learn how to use.
You fish? You fish? Oh, no, nothing to fish. ¿Sabes una vez él pescó un pescado? Do you ovulating fish?
Do what?
Nothing. He says si one day you fish a fish. Sí, él pescó un pez por ya está aquí.
Look, you want to reel one in?
Yeah.
Here.
Okay, let's go rock, paper.
Hold on a second.
Okay, rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. No, no hiciste trampa. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. No, fíjate que es así, bueno, let me see. Let me see me. I know.
All you got to do is reel it in now. It's already out there.
Okay, we're.
Just grab this right here and just start turning it.
Where is the rope?
It's all the way out there.
Yeah, it's like invisible.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a fish.
That's the bait. That was the bait.
Just like a
Look.
Watch him.
You want to throw it? Or you want to cast it? Here, let me see.
Okay.
I'll let you reel one in. All right.
What about? Oh, ya sé por qué es así,
Just
¿ya?
hold it tight. Hold on to that
Sí, porque si no se te va a llevar.
and just
bajo.
reel. There you go.
Así como que I know, right? Okay, let me see that fish. Let me see that fish. Those look like
Here.
I think. Give me the fish. Let me see.
It's just a worm. It's just the bait that I was using.
You bake it?
What? No. It's just bait. Watch out for that hook right there.
Yeah, that's the thing to hold up. It's like real. Oh, look, the goose. Yeah. Fish the goose. Oh,
Yeah.
that's a real goose. Why they have the fish pull that mouse in there, then that his mouse gets stuck in there, right?
Yep. That's how it works.
I'm here for it.
I think I'm about to head home, guys.
Why? Which one?
The fish just aren't biting. I live over that way.
That house with the park.
No.
Oh,
I live across the street from those houses.
you live like there.
No. I live on this road right here.
Oh. Can you show us?
Show you.
Yeah.
Why do y'all want to know where I live?
Like that we can visit you.
So you can visit me one day?
Let me see the photo.
Here. Don't break this. This thing's expensive.
Let me see. I want to see the view.
I don't have any videos on here yet.
Oh.
Not yet. I'll be back over here one day though. I'll bring some poles that y'all can use.
What are those? Oh, kids of those?
Yeah. Then y'all can fish with me one day. You want to?
Mm-hmm.
If you see me out here, I'll go get my poles. And then y'all can fish with me.
Let me see the worm and the...
You want to see the worm?
Okay.
Worm and the frog?
Oh. What is this stuff?
I put them on there so I can head home.
Okay.
Watch out for the hook, buddy.
Yeah. Give me the fish, please.
I'll see y'all later.
Yes, sir. Promise.